Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's Excel 1-minute video, I'm going to do a text function called the trim function. If you look at column B in my data, I have extra spaces in between the words. The trim function will get rid of all extra spaces except for a single space. So I'm going to insert a column at column C, go to cell C2, that's the first one I'm going to do, equals trim, cell B2. Get your crosshairs, double click. They're all corrected, but they're all formulas if you look up in the formula bar. So this is simply a copy, paste values, get rid of column C, and now everything is correct. There is the trim function for you. Really important note, if the trim function alone does not fix the space issue that I just did, then I have a special video on combining the trim function with a couple other functions, and that will get rid of everything. Usually this happens when you pull something from the web or something, if the trim function by itself doesn't work. Feel free to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.